Madedelay, pero hindi mawawala. Sabi nila, dapat daw pag 30 ka na, mag-asawa ka na. Dapat daw pag 30 ka na, may BP ka na. Dapat daw pag 30 ka na, marami ka ng investment. May property ka na din, at malayo na rin daw ang narating mo sa buhay. But I tell you this, delays in your plans are not denials of God's purpose. Maaring nasanay tayo sa karera at kompetisyon para bago man lang sana tayo mag-30 ay may marating na tayo sa buhay. But dear, you are doing enough. You are doing enough and all you have to do is to begin again after all those life setbacks. You are doing fine when all you have to do is wonder until you know what you are created for. Dear, don't hate yourself too much for not fitting in the world's standards. Lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang panahon, hindi mabilis at hindi rin mabagal. This journey is more than a checklist. Kung dati, sobrang sigurado tayo sa mga bagay na gusto nating marating, ngayon, maingat tayo sa kung sino ang papapasukin natin sa buhay natin at sa kung ano ang mga bagay na dapat nating tahakin. Okay lang kung 30 ka na pero nagsisimula ka pa lang. 30 ka na at wala ka pa rin anak. 30 ka na at waiting ka pa rin kay God's best. 30 ka na at wala ka pa rin engagement ring. The God you met in your 20s will still be the same God who will walk with you in season 30. Dreams delayed are still valid dreams. You're never too late for God's plan in your life. Madedelay, pero hindi mawawala. With love and prayers, Noel.